Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you the project titled Opinion Mining based on text analysis in online social network. Firstly, let me explain you about the project. As the project title says, in the project we perform opinion mining. Opinion mining is nothing but mining or collecting or getting the opinion from users. This mining of opinion will be done from the users' comments. Actually, in the present days, every person is highly active in the task of posting things on the social media. This posting of some pictures on social media is quite common in the present days. So, by posting the things on social media, other users can also view the post. Also, the users can comment about the post. Usually, the users will be commenting their opinion about the post that tells whether the user liked or not liked the post. So, person who wants to know the other's opinion about the post need to check all the comments. So he or she has to see, read, and understand each and every comment posted by the users. So this looks like a time-taking process. For that purpose, if we use this project, there won't be any aspect of wasting time to read all the comments. This means our model will help us to understand the other user's opinion about the posted topic. So the model will recognize all the comments posted by the user. It tokenizes all the words of the comment and determines the each and every positive and negative word in the comment. It actually happens by comparing the sentiment words with the words given in the comment. The sentiment words consist of all the positive and negative keywords. So by this, it returns that whether the comment is a positive one or negative one. And if the comment results to be a positive one, that particular person posted some positive review about the posted topic, and that person may have liked that post. Suppose if the comment results to be a negative one, that particular person does not like the posted topic. And finally, in this way, we can know about the review of anything using this project. This kind of projects can be used for the purpose of advertisements. And also, if any person is discovering a new things to the market, he can post and receive the comments from the users so that he can know if there are any mistakes and anything more to involve. And that's the brief explanation about the project. Now, let's see the implementation part of the project. Actually, before that, let's see the model used to implement this project. The model used to implement this project is long-term short memory model, abbreviated as LSTM. It is an artificial recurrent neural network architecture used in the field of deep learning. The LSTM networks are well suited for classifying, processing, and making predictions based on the time series data, since there can be lag in the unknown duration between important events in a time series. The LSTM is a model that recognizes the complete comment of the user and then classifies the comment as a negative one or positive one. So it is a model which does not recognize only the positive and negative words of the comment. It recognizes the complete comment and only then it determines it as a positive or negative comment. As shown here in the code, firstly, we need to import all the necessary packages like NumPy, Pandas, Keras, sklearn, and there we can see that we imported LSTM model also. And next we see the input, that is the data we are using which performs the classification task in the project. Then we see some of the examples like the comment and the review of the posted topic beside it based on the comments. Next, we remove all the unnecessary special characters like @ hashtag, and so on. So after removing the special characters, we use the concept of tokenization, which helps us to separate the words in the comments and trying to training the model and test it. So by this, we get the count of the words from the comments. And next, we see something like accuracy that provides us how our model is an accurate one. And next, then we will train the data to the model. This can be of any number of times, like suppose here we are using epoch is equal to 15. and the epochs represent each round. So we will get the percentage of accuracy and loss for each round. And it also mentioned the time taken for each round. And then after, we see some values like F1 score, support, that is something related to our accuracy concepts. And next, based on the sentiment, we try to classify the positivity and negativity, which represent the minority and majority classes respectively. Next, we see the positive data and negative data in the training as well as testing. And next, we do the separating of majority and minority classes for the upsampling process. Then we do the upsampling process for the positive data, which represents the minority class. In this, we just replace that positive word with true. And after that, we join or merge the majority class and upsampled minority class. And then display the new count and again perform the tokenization task that separates all the words. Then again checking the accuracy. So after that, again train the data. That means perform some more rounds that provide the accuracy and loss. And then based on the accuracy, we get the values of F1 score and support for the trained data. Again, if we want to train some more data, we can add or train the data in some more rounds. And at last, for the provided comment, if we get the sentiment value 0, we display it as a negative. And if the sentiment value is 1, we display it as a positive 1. So in this way, based on the LSTM model, we can get the review of any posted topic based on the user's comments and tweets. Thank you.